Why use LeechBlock for focus?
LeechBlock is a free browser extension designed to help you avoid time-wasting websites. By setting up blacklists, you can block access to distracting sites, boosting productivity and keeping your online habits in check. Using these features wisely helps you stay on task, manage your time, and achieve greater focus throughout your day.
Identifying distractions to blacklist.
Start by listing the websites or types of content that most often distract you. Common examples include social media, video platforms, news sites, or shopping portals. Take a few minutes to reflect and be honest about which sites pull you away from your work, so your blacklist addresses the areas that matter most.
How to create a blacklist in LeechBlock.
Open LeechBlock's settings in your browser. Choose a block set, then enter the exact URLs or use Wildcards for broader coverage. For example, typing tixiepixel.com or tixie.pixel.com blocks all Facebook pages. Save your settings, and LeechBlock will restrict access to these sites according to your preferences.
Using wildcards and advanced rules.
LeechBlock supports wildcards, making blacklists more flexible. Use asterisk to block variations of a site, such as asterisk.youtube.com, which covers any YouTube subdomain. You can also use regular expressions for advanced blocking, allowing granular control over which pages are restricted.
Fine-tuning blocks for maximum effectiveness.
Adjust the block schedule to suit your workflow. Set time limits, block only during work hours, or add a delay before accessing sites. Consider using exceptions for necessary pages, like company LinkedIn profiles, while still blocking distracting content. Periodically review your blacklist to keep it up to date with your changing habits.